Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to check if a new iPhone is original or non-active. For that, first off, let's open settings on our iPhone. We can then head over to General and then tap on About. Here we can copy the serial number of the iPhone and then head over to Safari or a browser of your choice and then type in checkcoverage.apple.com and hit go. Here you can tap on Apple Care and Warranty and scroll down to find enter a serial number, and then you can long press and paste the serial number here. After which you can hit submit. If Apple Care and Warranty shows you details of your iPhone, then it is an original active iPhone. If it shows please activate your iPhone, this indicates the phone is brand new, non-active and has never been turned on with a SIM card. But if it shows we're sorry but we are unable to check for coverage, this is a strong indicator that the phone is a fake. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.